All right, let's discuss IELTS speaking part 2. I'll give you a cue card and you have to speak on it for 2 minutes. And your topic is describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. Your time starts now.
So basically, these days, clicking photos are very common, and everyone like to click photos, even if it's of small gain. One of my favorite photo is from my childhood, as I like to present it. The photo that I like the most is the one that I took with my mother. So it was taken when I wasn't ready to go to school and I wasn't waking up. So my mother came to me and she was trying to wake me up and she was showing affection towards me. And one of my siblings uh, took that picture and they thought that it was hilarious. So, but it wasn't hilarious for me at all. Whenever I look at the photo, I think I'm looking cute, and that affection that mother showing is showing to me, I love that part of the photo. And whenever I feel down or feeling down or low, and wasn't even focusing to my studies, well, I look at the photo and I feel motivated to do that work. And whenever I feel that I'm missing her a lot, I saw the photo and it keeps me feeling good about that. So this is the one of the favorite photo of mine that I watch.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And that's pretty good, but you must speak for 2 minutes. You have to increase it to 2 minutes. That will be good enough. So let's discuss the mistakes that you made while speaking. Number one mistake was of subject verb agreement. When you use the first phrase, you said these days clicking pictures are. So keep in mind when we use phrase, gerund, or clause as a subject, we always use singular verb. So we can't say are, we will say is. So you have to work on subject verb agreement and then fluency. You were taking long pauses like so you have to better your fluency. And next is of pronunciation. Hilarious. So there is a bit difference between these. So you are good. If you work a bit more, you can get good bands.